How to find Recycle Bin on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. You can view all your folders over here. Go to the Locations section and tap on Recently Deleted. Over here, you can view all the recently deleted files on your phone. Now, go back and open up the Photos app on your phone. This app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. On this page, scroll down and go to the Utilities section. From here, tap on Recently Deleted. Then, tap on View Album. You require Face ID or passcode to view this album. You can now view all your recently deleted photos and videos over here. Following these steps, you can easily find Recycle Bin on iPhone.